Hello everyone for the Disney Wish. We are sailing this weekend for a 3-night Bahamian cruise. We're gonna be heading to Castaway and Nassau, but first things first, I wanna give you guys a tour of our stateroom. One of the nicest things about Disney Cruise Line staterooms is that you have these kind of dual bathrooms. So the first bathroom is going to be basically like a water closet. So you'll have the toilet in here, you'll have a sink, and so someone can be getting ready in here while someone is taking a shower. Right next door in this second room here is where you'll have your shower. So I love the showers on the Wish. I think that they use the space so well. So you'll have a step-in shower, but if you do need an accessible room, the shower is gonna look a little bit different than this, and you can request a pick an accessible room at time of choosing your stateroom. But you'll have your shower, and then you'll have your sink and mirror over here. And there is a nice bit of storage in both of these rooms too, so you'll have a little bit of space on the side of the walls there that you can place things. But I think this is one of the best things about the Disney staterooms is the fact that you do have these kind of twin sides here. And the other thing that I love about the Disney Wish is that when you go into the water closet here, you have your main light, and then you can turn on your night light, which is going to just be a little bit of light at the bottom there, so that when you need to go to the bathroom at night, you don't need to turn on that whole light and wake everybody up. So it's the little things that we love. So we are staying in a deluxe family stateroom with a veranda view. We have a Frozen themed room. So we have a queen size bed here, and you have your nightstands on either end here, as well as you're going to have ports for chargers and everything like that on this side of the bed. This side of the bed does have some, but they're going to be not US based ones. If we head over this way, this is where we're going to have our 2 other beds. So this stateroom is going to sleep up to 4 adults. You have the one that's going to pull down from the ceiling there, and then you also have this bed that will fold out into a twin size bed. Our stateroom host already checked in with us, asked us how we need the room to be set up, so you don't have to worry about doing all that. They're going to do that for you, which is really nice. Across from the queen size bed, you're going to have a TV. So this is a little bit different if you've been on other Disney ships. Most other Disney ships are going to have the TV kind of right in this area here. This is going to have this TV right across from there. So a little bit different. But as we come across this way, this is where you're going to have your desk set up. You can use this to get ready in the morning. I love the light around the mirror that you have here, and then you do have some storage space. So you're going to have this area here, which is actually going to be your refrigerator, and then you have some cabinets and other spaces like that that you can use just to keep some storage. So this is a connecting room, which means we have a connecting door here. We're not traveling with anyone that we are using that, but that is something that you have. Out here, we're gonna have our veranda. Right now, we're not able to go on there because they are refueling, but we have a just traditional size veranda. You have 2 chairs there, you have a table, and we just love having the veranda because it's really nice to just go out and sit there at night with a cocktail or in the morning with your coffee or tea. One of my favorite things. So I always think the veranda is worth it. In a traditional family stateroom, you're going to actually have another bed that's going to come down here. So we have kind of a different one. We're in 6102. So what we have here is actually a full-size mirror. And then we have a nice little chair here, which for us works out really well because it's just the 2 of us staying in the room. But if you did have 5 people, of course, they're not going to have you in this room. If you did have 4 people, you may not want to choose this room. If you just wanted that extra space, this might work out really well, but just something to know. So this is 6102. So that is going to do it for our tour of our deluxe family stateroom with veranda on the Wish. We're so excited to check out the rest of the ship. We've been on the ship before, but every time we come on, I feel like we see brand new things. You see a whole new crew, and it's just so exciting to get to kind of interact with them. So we're looking forward to it. We will have another video of a whole tour of the Wish, so check that out. And as always, be sure to like, comment below, and subscribe. And if you're looking to plan your next Disney vacation, be sure to reach out to KMV Travel through all the information below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.